you just put it on and you turn it. You ain't got the game.
You ain't got the
How you change the tire, brother?
Hold on.
Yeah, Bird, you can hey, text it to me, Bird. Then I'm gonna text it to you.
Hold on now.
For real though. What the thing is?
Put it in here, dog. Look,
What you got in your hand, brother?
I'm happy out.
Yeah.
There
Put
you
it
go.
in that thing and then you just twist it.
Yeah, happy out. There you go. Uh-oh, there you go. You put it in there.
Stick it in the hole.
God damn, so.
So you did Dean? Yeah.
There you go.
That was your first line?
Yeah, dog. You ever get?
What position you play?
Play D-line.
D-line.
Make you feel like you play.
Where you play? You here?
App State.
App State. Oh yeah, y'all be going up against some weight.
Yeah.
Stick it all the way on there, brother. Stick it all the way on there.
Yeah, make sure you don't break the bolt like that.
Yeah. Now bend that bar. Bend it. There you go. There you go.
Other way.
Nah, you had it the right way. Yep.
Okay.
There you go. All right. Go ahead and loosen all the rest of them, and then come back and take them all off.
Loosen first and then.
Bend the bar. There you go. It'd be neat to know you 20 years from now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
After you changed a whole bunch of them, be like, dang, the first time was so.
I tell you, I'm from Miami. We got car shops in our stores.
Put it on there. Put it on the nut. Put it all the way on there good, brother.
Yeah.
There you go.
We got like car shops out there.
Right.
And school, so we just learn all this stuff.
That's stuff you need to know how to do.
Oh, yeah.
Get your last one.
Get the last one.
Use your tool, brother. Use your tool. Make it easy on yourself. All you gotta do is spin it. Just turn it. Yeah. Use your tool. You ain't using your tool right.
You gotta make sure it's all the way on there.
Leave it straight. Leave it straight now. Now just turn it. Just turn it. No. Just spin that around. See that? There you go. There you go. All right. Nah. Put that right there in the van.
Are we taking